morning everyone, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a stress-free Sunday vlog. So I thought I'd shake it up a little bit from my usual workday vlogs and show you guys a bit of a weekend in my life or Sunday in my life. I've been asked a few times what it's like living in Montreal, how I like it, if I can show more about living in Montreal, and now that some of the quarantine restrictions have lifted, I'm really happy to take you guys out more in my like day-to-day fun life, I guess. Work is fun, but you know, non-work life here in Montreal. If you're new here, my name is Zoe. I make videos about work weeks in my life, fun vlogs like this. I also make personal finance content and a lot more. So I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. And please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. It helps the algorithm, it makes me happy, and it lets me know that you like this kind of video. I already did my sort of morning routine. My plan this morning was to sleep in until like noon because I just finished doing a wake up at 6 a.m. challenge. There's like a hair on me. Ugh. I just finished doing a wake up at 6 a.m. challenge. You guys have probably seen that video. If you haven't, I'll link it down below. And it killed me. Like I was so tired up until last night. I was just like so dead. I went to a comedy show last night. It was like a drive-in show, and got home around midnight and I was just like, it was awful. So I really wanted to sleep in, but then right before I went to bed, I remembered that I kind of had some stuff I needed to do before I started my day today. So here we are. So I got myself to have a nice morning routine, showered, did skincare, did some stretching, my yoga mat's still out, and now I have a little bit of a checklist that I need to do before I leave the house. So the plan for today is to go down to the Old Port to celebrate my best friend's 25th birthday. So we're gonna go get some drinks, walk around the Old Port, hopefully take some cute pictures. And I'm really happy to show you guys that because it's a beautiful part of town. So that's gonna be really fun. But before I go, I need to eat breakfast. I need to edit a YouTube video because it's Sunday and I need to upload and I don't have one ready yet. And I need to write in my card that I got from my friend. So we're gonna do all of that in like an hour, hopefully. And then I'm gonna walk over and meet her at her house. So first things first, I'm really hungry, so let's go to the kitchen. Oh my gosh, you guys, I came to the kitchen. I'm gonna show you something kind of gross, okay? Brace yourself, ready? 3, 2, 1. Look, I've never seen anything like this. They're like foaming. That's so gross. Comment down below, have you ever seen anything like that? I've never seen anything like that before, and I'm really bad with my bananas. Like I always leave them. I guess I have to throw them out. That's really bad. I feel really wasteful. Oh my gosh, have you guys ever seen that? That's so gross. Okay, whatever. Today I'm going to make avocado toast for breakfast. Have an avocado, have toast. We're gonna make avocado toast. Let's go. So here's my breakfast. It's pretty typical for me. I just mushed up an avocado, put some sun-dried tomatoes on top, 1 egg, a little bit of salt, and then I'm gonna put some Frank's hot sauce on top. I am addicted to this stuff. Yeah, and I'm gonna watch, well, I've been watching a new Maggie McDonald vlog. This couch cushion because So it's funny because I knew I wanted to title this video Stress-Free Sunday because I was watching a Sam Oscurl vlog and she called it like Stress-Free Morning, and I was like, oh, that's such a good title. Like, I'm gonna call mine Stress-Free Sunday instead of just like Sunday vlog. But I'm starting to feel stressed because I need to leave the house in an hour, and I'm like, oh my God, this video, I need to like edit and upload it. And I guess I'll just like, this is like a small behind the scenes, maybe it's interesting. I have like, whenever I upload a vlog, especially a work vlog, those videos are you guys' favorites and they're the ones that do the best. And then I film other stuff that like interests me and I know interests you as well, but maybe less than the vlogs, I don't know. The vlogs take forever to edit and the sit down videos don't take that long. So I'm going back and forth in my head right now of like, should I upload a vlog because I have to edit it, it's gonna take me longer, or should I edit and upload more quickly this other video that I filmed? So I'm kind of torn. Either way, they'll both get uploaded, but I'm just trying to think of like strategic upload schedule versus like my time and I need to leave. So I think we're gonna go for the easy one today and the vlog will go up later. Either way, all of this is like a few weeks before you see this video. So there we go. It's like time travel, right? Anyway, I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I'll see you guys in a minute. Hello, so I'm at my desk now. I have my computer behind me and I'm gonna edit my video. I'm trying to prop you guys on a plant. It's not working. So, oh my God. So like, oh, hello laundry. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm a mess. Hello. So like I said a few minutes ago, I'm feeling the time crunch. So in order to kind of bring myself back down, I still have like an hour that I can, you know, just use to focus. Something that's been helping me is drinking water. So I like to put a straw in my water bottle so that I can just like drink more, drink faster. And I feel like just drinking water, I mean, oftentimes we forget, right? And so I feel like sometimes I get this stressy feeling from being dehydrated. So just drinking a bunch of water, I feel like is helping me this morning. And I also grabbed my little Sage Stress Relief roller ball. So I'm gonna put this, I like to put it on my head and on my neck. And this just smells really good and helps reduce some like stress and tension. And it just helps you breathe too, because I try and like, when I put it on, I'm like, I take deep breaths and I breathe it in. So I put it on my temples and on my neck. And Sage is a really nice essential oil brand from Canada. I will link them below. This is part of the pharmacy kit that my friend Mary got me, and I love it. So I really like this brand, definitely recommend it. Okay, so now I need to stop vlogging because I need to take my memory card out in order to edit the video. So I'll catch you guys later. I've caved, I'm making a coffee because I'm just too tired. I think most of you guys know by now, I like to use Nespresso to make my coffee. I've done a financial analysis on this machine and it is the most economic way, since I already have the machine, to keep making coffee. If you don't have an espresso, it's not the most economic way. There are cheaper ways, such as individual espresso pods. Anyway, we won't get into that. I don't know why I'm editing a financial video, so I've got money on the mind. But I'm gonna use my pod. These are the Indonesia pods. They're my favorite. If you have an espresso and you like are looking for a new pod to use, Indonesia and then also Nicaragua are my two favorite pods. They make the best espresso and you just add milk and you make like an iced latte. That's what I'm gonna do today. So good. Got my coffee. Now I'm awake. Back to work. So I just finished editing my video. It is a tips for saving money and it actually turned out great. I'm really happy with it. So I am so late to go meet Fred now, so I gotta run. My neighbors are staring at me. I have really big windows and they always see me filming myself, so great. Hi guys, subscribe. So I gotta get my shit together and get out of here. I have prepared 2 outfits that are possibly what I'm gonna wear out for drinks. So I gotta throw those in my bag and brush my teeth and get the heck out of here. I'm bringing some makeup, which is hilarious because I haven't worn makeup in like 4 months. I literally haven't worn makeup since March. So I'm breaking that. And I'm like, oh my gosh, how do I transport this stuff? I'm putting it in my backpack. I just realized I still haven't written in her card. She's gonna watch this video after and be like, bitch, you're doing my card last minute? Sorry, Fred, I love you. Have her present here. At least her gift is wrapped. And look at this cute card I got her. I'm gonna write in it right now. So I just docked my bike and I just have a little bit of a walk to her place. I use the Bixi bike system in Montreal, which is bike sharing. It's absolutely amazing if your city has bike sharing. Totally recommend you do it. It's like the only way I get around town now. However, if you guys are from Montreal, you know, Montreal is so hilly, so I'm always out of breath. So feeling good. I'm really excited to see Fred and give her her present and then head downtown. Obviously, I'm gonna change. We're gonna get ready at her place. So this is the final result of my makeup. Haven't worn makeup in months. Feeling myself a lot. And my dress is the dress from Princess Polly that I did in my haul. I'll upload maybe a picture I'll show in the mirror after. And then these shoes are from Carolan, my favorite Montreal shoe store, but you can buy them online too. I'll have a link down below. All the shoes are 50% off, so these were 50% off. Crazy deal. But yeah, so we're gonna head out to the Old Port now. A little behind schedule, but we're gonna have so much fun. I'm so excited. It feels so good to be like dressing up and enjoying summer. Staying safe, of course. Socially distant, all that, wearing a mask when we go inside. But yeah, it feels so fun, so let's go. Hi everyone, so it's around 8:30 now. We finished the night by going and getting tacos and then it started pouring rain, like insane downpour. That's why I look like this. So I'm gonna spend the night here so that we don't have to get wet and leave the house again. So I'm gonna close up the video. Thank you for watching this stress-free Sunday vlog. I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Do anything for the cash. Do anything for the